Welcome to our first video. Today we're making quick and easy fairy lights using mason jars and some fairy lights and some greenery. Grab your mason jars and let's go. First, you just want to give those mason jars a quick wash so the paint will stick to them. We used Krylon Sea Glass, which gives a nice translucent coating. You can get this at Michael's, which is where we did. It comes in lots of colors for all kinds of occasions, and it was really easy to put on. Again, as long as the jar is clean. Now for the fine print. Some basic things you want to know: shake it for 2 minutes, 10 to 12 inches from the surface, multiple thin coats, and leave a minute in between coats, longer if it's cold outside. Now we're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. And here's our first victim. Give him a nice light coat. Go all the way around. Pay no attention to the snow in the driveway. And we're going to wait at least a minute. It was cold for me. I had to wait a little longer. And we're going to go back and do it again. And once you're done, clean the nozzle with some mineral spirits so you can use the can again if you need to. And then you're going to wait at least 15 minutes. Longer if it's cold or moist.
Now that they're all sprayed, we're going to add the fairy lights. So I get to sit here and unwrap all 7 feet. As you can see, it is a little fun. You unwrap them. Wrap them around my hand a couple times and carefully stick in the jar so they're in there kind of randomly. And one was not enough, so we're going to repeat this a second time. And now that we have placed both strands in there, we're going to add a bow. I have about 4 feet. I'm going to hold the length of it to the jar, wrap around 3 or 4 times, tie a nice tight knot, make 2 bunny ears, tie those together to make a nice bow, and flip it upside down and arrange it. There. Next, we're going to add our boxwood branches and our little flowers. Kind of fluff them out. Place them in the jar. Easy peasy. And just like that, all done.
And now we're off to make 14 more of these for wedding decorations. We hope you liked it. They're pretty simple. Shouldn't take much time at all. If you want to see more, we're going to be making more videos. Thanks for watching our first video. You can find us here on YouTube, or you can follow us on Instagram too. The folks made it. Thanks for watching.